I filmed some lovely moments over the last couple of weeks while my sister and nephew came to visit us, and I thought I would share that with you all. Spring is in full bloom here in Australia. The weather is warming up and we've been having beautiful sunny days. Before my sister and Colby arrived, I organised the guest room to make it feel homely and lovely for them. The weekend before, we had some bizarre spring weather, bringing an incredible amount of hail into the garden. I've always found hail very exciting. It must be because it doesn't snow in most parts of Australia, so I always get over the top excited when it starts sprinkling down with icy clumps. Whenever it rains, it immediately feels so cozy, and I usually sit and watch the rain with a lovely hot cup of tea. On this particular day, I had just gotten home after finishing an 8-hour nursing shift for placement, and I was absolutely exhausted. It was a Tuesday morning, and April and Colby had arrived.
Where are we going, Colby? We're gonna go get the eggs? Hello, chicken. Girls, come here. Come here. I don't know whether you're gonna want to walk through, April.
I will.
Oh, yuck.
I'll just rinse my feet afterwards.
Ready, Colby? We're gonna get the eggs? One egg. Not two. Look at that.
One egg, Colby.
Colby, look, we got an egg. We got an egg.
Oh, clever boy.
Ready? Push. Put. Ooh. Colby, keep it in your pants.
April had brought her infamous cheesecake recipe, so while I was busy editing, she got to work at creating a beautiful masterpiece. Colby and I hung out in the sunroom, grinning at each other between bits of editing my video.
What's Auntie Sage doing? Huh? Look, she's over there. Yeah, she is. That's Auntie Sage. Editing her video.
Believe it or not, I have never had cheesecake before, so this was a first-time treat for me. And if you haven't guessed it already, my sister is the baker in the family. She makes amazing desserts.
Hi, Colby. Yeah. Wow.
The next day we headed off to a lovely botanical garden to film some beautiful dresses for a lookbook. And Colby and I happened to be wearing matching orange outfits, so we had to get it on camera.
Good girls. Hi, Colby. to touch them, but they'll peck your hands.
We headed off to the beach the next day, and April taught me how to use my 1930s box camera. I am so excited to see how the photographs turn out once I get them developed. April also brought her Edwardian 1910 film camera and captured some lovely memories also. We were so lucky to have April and Colby visit us, especially with Colby so young at 6 months. We had lots of coffee dates, thrifting, baking, and just hanging out with lots of baby giggles. That just always makes you smile.
It's hard to win, hard to pin one day. I look out for you. In your
After April and Colby left to go back home, I finished off the rest of my busy university semester. And of course, always making time for a mental health day by spending an afternoon pottering around the garden. And of course doing that in style. Planting veggies, mowing, pruning, and making some homemade lemonade as a delicious refreshment to the end of a busy day in the garden.
Ow! Oh, it just attacked my foot. That is not funny. Get away from me. That is not funny. Ah!
Hey, they are not food. They're so strong. April, you can jump the fence if you want.
That's not okay. I don't want to be in here anymore.
I'm so sorry.
I reckon that he's all laughed out now. Maybe not. What's down there? Hey.
Oh, lipstick all over his hand. There's
Oh.
some vomit coming out of his mouth.
Huh?
There's stuff coming out of his mouth.